Alright guys, it's your buddy Kentips here. Today we're doing a review on Obrigado's. This is their coconut water with pineapple. And check this out. If you guys want to read these ingredients, pause the video. And that's French. No, that's in, yeah, so right there's the ingredients. Got some pear juice in there. It's got about, where's the sugar content? There it is, 13 grams sugar. Let's do a quick taste test, see what it tastes like. So this actually has a patented extraction. So for good quality freshness, it says right on this side right there. So let's do a quick taste test. That's actually quite good. It has a nice aroma of pineapple. It's not overly sweet, doesn't really taste sweet, but it's got a really good pineapple taste. Not sour. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.